Did you know that if you're physically inactive, you're twice as likely to suffer from heart disease? It's a sobering thought, isn't it? But it's a reality we cannot ignore. Fitness is not just about looking good or building muscle, it is fundamentally about preserving our health and enhancing our quality of life. A sedentary lifestyle, one where exercise is often overlooked, can lead to numerous health complications including obesity, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. Conversely, regular physical activity offers a plethora of benefits. It strengthens your heart and lungs, boosts your mood, improves your sleep, and even sharpens your mental acuity. Think of fitness as an investment in your future self. It's about creating a better, healthier version of you. And the best part? It's never too late to start. No matter your age, fitness level, or past experiences, you can reap the rewards of regular physical activity. Now that we've got your attention, let's dive into some simple exercises that can kickstart your fitness journey. Starting your fitness journey doesn't have to be intimidating. Remember, everyone has to start somewhere. Now let's dive into some basic exercises that can lay the foundation for your fitness journey. These exercises are simple, versatile, and can be done anywhere, anytime. First off, we have squats. Squats are a fantastic exercise that targets your lower body, including your thighs, hips, and glutes. To perform a squat correctly, stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Bend your knees and lower your body as if sitting back into a chair, keeping your chest upright. Make sure your knees don't go beyond your toes, and push back up to the starting position. Common mistakes include leaning forward too much and not squatting low enough. Next, we have lunges. Lunges work your hips, glutes, quads, and hamstrings, and even engage your core for stability. To do a lunge, step forward with one foot and lower your body until your front knee is at a 90-degree angle. Your back knee should hover just above the floor. Then, push back up to the starting position and switch legs. Be careful not to let your front knee extend past your toes, and keep your torso straight throughout the movement. Finally, let's talk about push-ups. Push-ups are a great full-body exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. To do a push-up, start in a high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Lower your body until your chest almost touches the floor, then push back up to the starting position. Common mistakes include letting your hips sag or piking them up too high and not going low enough in the push-up. Remember, it's not about how many reps you can do, but about doing each rep with the correct form and technique. This will help you get the most out of your workout and avoid injury. With this foundation, you're ready to take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle. Now that you know the basics, here are some tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your workouts. Let's start with the importance of breathing. It sounds simple, but proper breathing can make or break your workout. When you inhale, your muscles receive oxygen, which fuels their contraction. Exhaling helps to expel carbon dioxide, a waste product of these contractions. A good rule of thumb is to exhale on the effort, when you're pushing, lifting, or exerting, and inhale on the release. Next, let's talk about form. Good form is the cornerstone of effective exercise. It ensures that you're activating the right muscles and reduces the risk of injury. If you're doing a squat, for instance, you want your feet hip-width apart, your back straight, and your knees in line with your toes. Don't rush through the moves. Instead, take your time to feel each muscle working and make every rep count. Now, on to intensity. A common misconception is that harder and faster equals better. However, this isn't always the case. It's essential to find a balance between pushing your limits and respecting your body's boundaries. To increase intensity, you can add more weight, do more reps, or decrease rest time between sets. But remember, it's important to listen to your body. If you start to feel pain or discomfort, it might be a sign that you're pushing too hard. Finally, let's discuss modifications. Not every exercise will be a perfect fit for you, especially if you're just starting out. Don't be afraid to modify moves to match your current fitness level. For instance, if full push-ups are too challenging, try doing them on your knees. As your strength improves, you can gradually progress to more challenging versions. Remember, it's not about how many reps you can do, but about doing them right. So keep these tips in mind as you continue your fitness journey. The road to fitness isn't always easy, but with perseverance and a little bit of knowledge, you can conquer any workout that comes your way. Consistency is the key to success when it comes to fitness. But how do you stay motivated? Let's unravel that mystery together. Staying consistent in your fitness journey starts with setting realistic goals. It's easy to dream big, and there's nothing wrong with that. But remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. It's essential to set smaller, achievable goals on your path to greatness. This way, every little accomplishment fuels your motivation to keep going. Now imagine having someone by your side, sharing the same goals, the same struggles, and the same victories. That's the power of having a workout buddy. This person can be your pillar of support, your source of motivation, and sometimes a friendly competitor to keep things exciting. You'll find it hard to skip a session when you know someone's counting on you. Another strategy that can help maintain consistency is tracking your progress. It could be as simple as marking your workout days on a calendar or keeping a comprehensive record of your workouts, complete with reps, sets, and weights. Seeing your progression visualized can be a powerful motivator. It's tangible proof that your efforts are bearing fruit. Now let's talk about the fruits of consistency. Regular exercise does a lot more than just sculpt your body. It's like a magic potion for your overall well-being. Regular workouts can improve your mood thanks to the release of endorphins, often referred to as feel-good hormones. You'll also notice an increase in your energy levels, making everyday tasks feel less taxing. And let's not forget the sweet slumber that follows a good workout. Regular exercise can significantly improve your sleep quality, helping you wake up refreshed and ready to conquer the day. So, consistency might seem like a challenge, but it's a challenge worth taking. It's a journey filled with small victories, leading you to a healthier, happier, and fitter self. When you make fitness a habit, you'll start to see changes not just in your body, but in your life. You have the knowledge and the tools to start your fitness journey. Now, it's time to take action. Taking the first step on your fitness journey may feel like a daunting task. You might feel overwhelmed by the wealth of information and advice available, unsure of where to start. But remember, this journey is yours, and it begins with a single step. Small steps can lead to big changes. You don't have to jump straight into marathon training or lift weights worthy of a bodybuilder. You just need to start. Take a walk around your neighborhood, try a beginner's yoga class, or simply incorporate more movement into your day-to-day routine. Every bit counts, and every step you take brings you closer to your fitness goals. Patience and perseverance are key on this journey. Fitness isn't a destination, it's a way of life. It's not about quick fixes or overnight transformations, it's about making consistent, sustainable changes that will benefit you in the long run. You might not see changes immediately, and that's okay. Progress isn't always visible to the naked eye. It might be the extra push-up you can do, the longer distance you can run, or the increased energy you feel throughout the day. Celebrate these victories no matter how small. They are milestones on your path to fitness, and they deserve recognition. The joy of seeing progress is a powerful motivator. It's a testament to your hard work and dedication, a reminder that you are capable of achieving great things. And as you continue on your journey, this joy will only grow. The time to start is now. Why wait for tomorrow when you can take that first step today? It might be small, it might be slow, but it's still progress. Don't wait for tomorrow, start today. Share your journey with us, and remember, every step you take is a step towards a healthier you.